Hey guys, I'm so excited. We are at 20,000 subscribers for my YouTube channel. Yay! Oh my god! That is so many people, like 20,000 people decided to subscribe to my channel. What? That's so weird, but so awesome at the same time. So today's video is going to be a giveaway, yeah! Because who doesn't like free stuff, right? So I thought I would do a giveaway for you guys because we've hit 20,000 subscribers and that is so amazing. All thanks to you guys as well, so I thought I would give a present back. So entering this giveaway is going to be so simple and so easy. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel down below, which is Hey Gorgeous XXX. Make sure you click the little bell bit next to it. I didn't even know that this was a thing until the other day when I saw someone talking about it and I was like, what is this bell? So subscribe, click the bell for notifications, then head on to my Instagram account and follow me on that, which is the same name, Hey Gorgeous XXX, and then there will be a photo of this giveaway. Go onto the photo and tag 3 friends. It could literally be your mum, your nana, your sister, your friends, anyone you can think of. Just tag 3 people into the photo and you are completely entered into the giveaway. Yeah! So like I said, it is so simple and easy. All you need to do is those 4 things, so YouTube and Instagram, and then you're completely entered. But everything will be down in the description bar, so if you guys forget anything, head down there. All the links are there, makes it so nice and easy. Anyway, let's get on to looking at the gifts, because that's what you guys are all here for, right? It's a giveaway. Okay, so we're going to start with my favourite item out of everything. This here. So it is the NARS Serum Moon palette. Inside, that is what it looks like. So you get a full-size lip crayon, so this is one of their most popular reds, and then you get a highlighter and 3 different tones of blushes. I think this palette is so beautiful and handy to have because who doesn't like blush, and who doesn't, well, natural blush I may add, because I do not like blush that's bright. I don't know, just don't really vibe with it. But beautiful colours, and then that lip colour is so stunning. Like, look at that red. That is the first thing. Second thing is another Serum Moon product, which is again by NARS. Let's open this wee bad boy up. So this is the outside of it here, cute little NARS packaging, and then when you open it you have the little plastic bit, so we'll take that off so you guys can see. And that's how it looks there. So beautiful, right? So you have like a really nice charcoal black with sparkles, and then a really deep maroon kind of plum colour. Beautiful to create a really nice smoky eye. Going on to the next thing is this palette. This is by BAREMINERALS, and it has some beautiful shades in it. So it's a bit more of a matte palette. Kind of a palette that you'd have with your sparkly stuff, so you can add things on top as well. So it's got like plastic over top to protect it, but this is the outside of it. Really pretty gold packaging. And then the inside looks like that. Ooh! So you can see there's 4 shades at the top, 4 in the middle and 2 at the very bottom. So the 2 at the very bottom, they kind of look like more face powders in my opinion. I'm not entirely sure though. 4 eyeshadows in the center there, and then you've got the finishing powder and then the blush and bronzer at the top there. So very pretty. Another thing from BAREMINERALS is this brush set. You kind of can't see it properly because of the light. It comes with a really pretty gold brush makeup bag, or makeup bag depending whatever you want to use it for. Then you've got the 5 brushes, so you've got a powder brush, which you could use for contouring as well, a foundation brush, a blending brush, an eyeshadow brush, and an eyeliner brush. Cute little set. BAREMINERALS has been like stepping up their game insanely in the last couple of years. I really love their products, especially their matte liquid lipsticks. They're my favourite. Okay, now something from MECCA Cosmetica. This is a really, really nice product. So this is what it looks like here, and it's actually a nail conditioning balm. My nails are so dry 24/7, but this one here, it's a really, really nice product for the fingernails and also the toenails, just to kind of replenish your nail bed, make sure nothing's feeling dry and it's all nourished and healthy. Another product from MECCA as well, this is their MECCA Max Primer. So this is a illuminating primer to give you really nice glowy soft looking skin. So cute, the packaging as well. It's like a baby pink, gold and white. Really like that. And last but not least, we have this. So this is one of the melted chocolate liquid lipsticks. I think chocolate's actually the colour. So it's from Too Faced. It's one of their melted lipsticks and it's in the shade Chocolate. Really, really nice nude, as you can see, very similar to this colour here. So as you guys can see, there's some really... don't even know what was in my mouth then. So as you guys can see, there's some really awesome products. So you've got two palettes. You've got a face and eye palette and then a face and lip palette. You have the Duo by NARS, which is like really nice for a deep smoky eye. The brush set by BAREMINERALS, primer, and also the nail conditioner from MECCA. And then you have one of the Too Faced melted long wear lipsticks. Yeah! So I feel like that's quite a good little haul of products. There's definitely a lot of different looks that you could create or wear for day and night time, or even if there's some stuff that you guys think would suit someone that you know, you could keep half and give some to another person. Whatever you guys want to do. But anyway, like I said at the start of the video, if you guys want to enter, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell next to it, and then head over to my Instagram, follow me there and tag 3 friends in the giveaway photo. I really hope you guys enjoy entering this giveaway. Like I said before, there's going to be so many more giveaways in 2018 because I really want to give back to you guys and let you know that I'm so grateful for your support and you guys following me. And I know that I haven't been filming as much as a lot of you guys want me to. It's been a little bit of a hectic time the last couple of months just because I've got a new job. So I have opened one of the first stores in New Zealand for the company I'm working with, which they are amazing, and it's been a little bit crazy. And I have moved houses as well, and then I also study on the side also. So it's a very busy life, but I will be making sure that hopefully every single week there will be at least one video uploaded for you guys from now on. And let me know if there's any looks or any types of videos you guys would like to see. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!